You gotta live up to something now. I mean, you just came off a professional.
Didn't dust it.
Okay, Jordan, what do you got? Oh! Okay, Blake, gotta have the sunglasses now. Go get the sunglasses.
Give me the sunglasses.
And make sure you look at the camera when you do the Rambo thing. Okay? Hey, Jordan, you're ruining it. You gotta give them. Each person who's shooting. There you go. Okay, Blake, this is your chance. Don't mess it up.
Oh, the sunglasses definitely make it better.
Okay, look at the camera when you reload to add effect. Okay?
Alright.
Yeah, there you go.
Alright. Pull.
Okay.
Pull. Pull.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Okay. Pull. That sucks.
We're gonna